Top 5 most expensive trucks in RTHD Offroad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mza Nation channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 most expensive trucks you can buy in RTHD Offroad. All prices are straight from the official Telegram store. Let's see which beast takes the top spot. Number 5, Maz 5 434. 3,800 rubles per 4.8 USD. Starting at number 5, the Maz 5434. This truck is a true workhorse in RTHD Off-Road. It's built for long hauls, strong torque, and tough terrain. If you need a reliable heavy-duty ride, this one's got you covered. Number 4, ZIL 130M, 6,000 rubles per 76 US dollars. At number 4, the ZIL 130M. It's not the fastest, but it's one of the most iconic trucks in the game. Perfect for players who love that classic Soviet design and smooth control off-road. Number 3, KAMO 4326-9. Dakar, 17,000 rubles /213 USD at number 3, the KAMO 4326-9 Dakar. Now this is a real off-road monster. Inspired by the Dakar rally style, this truck delivers serious power and stability when you push it through the toughest maps. Number 2, VL80, 20,000 rubles per 2,501 US dollars. Coming in at number 2, the VL80. This isn't your regular truck. It's basically a locomotive on wheels. It's massive, heavy, and super powerful. Perfect for flexing in multiplayer or hauling the heaviest loads across the map. Number 1, ATT 537, 40,000 rubles per 501 US dollars. And finally, at number 1, the ATT 537, the most expensive and most powerful machine in RTHD Off-Road. It's built for players who want to dominate every terrain, from mud to snow to rocky climbs. This thing is pure power, and it looks absolutely insane in-game. So there you have it, the top 5 most expensive trucks in RTHD Off-Road. Which one do you think is worth the price? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the RTHD community for more off-road madness.